Hello and welcome to today's art class. Today I'm going to be showing you all about how to draw a Lego figurine. When you have finished drawing your Lego figurine, I would like you to transform it into a character. You might like to draw the character as yourself. It could be a character from one of your favourite movies or TV shows, or even a famous artist or celebrity. Make sure when you're finished you send me your artworks. I cannot wait to see your masterpieces. Thanks for watching. See you next time.